the risk-reward ratio indicator, and waitlist order, which is provided for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 5 and MetaTrader 4 and run it on the chart. Traders can also refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and run the indicator on the chart by dragging the file. To display the risk-reward, we first need to open a trade, specify the take profit along with the stop loss, and then the profit and loss limits will be shown to us. Here, I will open a buy trade, place my stop loss amount in this section, and my take profit in the lower section. In the lower left of the chart, the profit and loss limits are displayed for me in the settings section. Under inputs, there are options for me. The first part relates to the theme or the custom template of the indicator, which has two sections, dark theme and light theme. By selecting the dark theme option, a dark template is applied to the chart, and by selecting the light theme option, a light template is applied to my chart. The next section pertains to order settings, where the first part relates to the magic number, which you can set to active or inactive. You can specify the magic number, and you can enable or disable the comment section, as well as specify the comment value. The next section relates to the display settings or box, where you can set the position of the display to be in the upper left, lower right, or upper right. You can set the display settings on the x-axis to the display settings on the y-axis, adjust the width and height of the box, all based on pixels. You can change the font type, font size, and font color in this section. You can also change the background of the box, which is set to a default gradient color. The next section relates to border color settings, which is set to blue by default. The last part concerns a feature that, if activated, will move the display behind the candles when the price or a specified price appears on the display, highlighting the candles. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.